All right, this one here is a Lance 2285. Again, 4 seasons, certified green. Let's take a look at the outside. Again, we've got the awning. That is a full length, complete pass-through storage. Also looks like there's a table up here, which is really nice, right? So it's hidden away. Again, that's your battery compartment. There's your controls for your automatic jacks, automatic leveling system. Propane's underneath here. Nice front window. TV hookup on the side. Power. That's the back of your heater and refrigerator. Backup camera. Ladder to get up to the roof. Full walk-on roof. Again, this is 30 amp connection, it looks like. Little shower outside. Connection for your cable. Water hookup. I believe that's called a Schwintek slide. Here's the other side of the storage compartment, so it's not completely pass-through. Again, another battery. So let's go take a look inside. A more compact design. A nice sofa. It looks like it's recliner. Storage above. Right, they're on hinges, which is great. Right when you come in, there's all your controls, which is awesome. TV swivels out, which is great to give you a little bit of a nice position. There's a little shelf down here if you want to connect a cable box or whatever. Some storage. And just like the other one we were in, this has got these, there it is, pull-out drawer. Nice storage. Big banquette. Now the kitchen is in the back here. And just like the other one, this is a Dometic. Again, I believe it is 12 volt. Suburban stove. Yeah, there's a refrigerator. Yeah. Sink. Nice pull down residential type faucet. It's a little small on the sink size. It's okay. I believe this is your trash. Yeah, built-in trash. That's awesome. Pretty cool. A little bit of storage up above. Storage down beneath. Let's see what we got underneath there. Oh, look at this. There's storage over here. These are some pull-outs, which is nice. So not a tremendous amount of storage in the kitchen. Let's go to the bedroom. And this is about like the other bedroom. Right? Queen size bed. Storage on either side. And get some pull-out drawers. The bed tilts up. This is where you would mount your TV up here. All right. You got a little sink here. So the bathroom it's kind of a mid-bath. So you do have a closet here. And the thing is, it seems big enough for a washer dryer, but there are no hookups. So just a hanging closet. And here's the sink for the bathroom. And here's the rest of the bathroom here. A little bit of storage in there. A little cabinet up there. Let's see how our toilet is. First, the shower. Now, this one's actually worse than the other one. My head's literally touching the bubble. I mean, this one would not work for me at all. Toilet-wise,
it's time for
Tallman's Toilet Test.
I mean, I'm in here. It's just a little tight. I mean, if I was to shut the door, I mean, I'm shoulder to shoulder, so pretty tight if you're a big guy. I like the stitching up here. A little bit of branding for the company. So, yeah, and yeah, got a little fold up on the sink there. So. All right, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Again, this is the Lance 2285.